everyone, it's Natasha. Welcome back to Hometime XYZ. I hope you're having a great day. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming back. If you're new, welcome. And today, last week we did the quick breakfast in the air fryer, and this week we're going to do lunch in the air fryer. So I have my tea. I know a lot of people drink maybe pop or juice or water with lunch. That's fine. I drink tea with a lot of things, odd but true. And guess what? I got a new cup. Look at it. It has my name. And look, it has a tea bag. So cute. And of course, I'm drinking chai tea, my favorite. So today we're going to do quick lunch. So quick lunch, for whatever reason, sometimes we don't have the time. We have to go to the grocery store. There's a wide variety of frozen stuff that you can choose from, and they're quick in the air fryer, whether it be meatballs, ribs, fries, onion rings, nuggets, you know, all those kind of stuff. So today we're going to do the hamburger. Hamburger takes about the longest, about 15-20 minutes. I'm going to do some onion rings, some fries, of course. I have some chicken nuggets. I have some fish sticks. So we can do all that stuff. And these are quick go-to for lunches for people, whether it be for their kids, for themselves, for dinner sometime as well, right? But the air fryer is meant for these kind of stuff. It's quick, it's easy. It comes out crispy. Yes, it does come out crispy because I like all my stuff crispy. I tend to put more time again because, you know, I like it extra crispy. Okay, everyone, so let me get the stuff ready. The air fryer is ready. Juice or whatever you want to drink, your tea, and let's have lunch together today. Okay, once we have some nuggets frozen, we have some Cavendish fries. This one again says air fryer 5 minutes, and I have the onion rings as well, and just some regular McCain wedges, and of course hamburgers. Yummy. Okay, so let's start. So this is 15 minutes and they're cooked. Now if you want it to be more crispy like myself, you can leave it for 20 minutes. If you don't want it to be even 15 minutes, you can leave it for 10, and it's cooked at 10 minutes as well, or 12 minutes. But see, it's nice and moist. The nuggets and the fish sticks, and you just line them up. Fish sticks takes about 10 minutes, and you should turn them halfway, only because they can get a little mushy. So if you had the bucket air fryer, then you can just throw these in and you're fine. But this way, if you lay them out, you get a better cook, quicker. Okay, everyone, so we're at halfway, so I'm just going to turn them over. You don't have to. A lot of times I don't. I'm doing this for you. And they will still be fine, nice and crispy the same. Do you hear it though already? It's already crispy, right? And we put it at 12 minutes. The fish sticks do get sometimes damaged like this, so sometimes what I do is I put it on the wax paper, right? Because sometimes they get soggy like this. Unfortunately, I don't know why, but they do. There we go. All right, so here we are, nice and crispy. So 12 minutes for the nuggets. Again, if you don't want them as crispy, 10 minutes is perfectly fine for them, right? Look at that. And then we have our fish sticks. They're never as pretty. They never look as pretty as they do on the box. That's okay. That's 5 minutes on it. We'll be getting 5. Now this is why I like the air fryer with the bucket, because you just dump them in and you can shake them around. This one you have to use something, turn them over. But there we go. So 2 different fries, frozen. Let's put them for 10 minutes. And here are onion rings, 7 minutes. And they're also crispy. And if you want them to be crispier, you can put them for 10. So there we go. The bag said 5 minutes, but I think 7 minutes is just right? So here are the hot dogs done. With 1 minute to go, I added my bread so it could be nice and toasty. And here we go. Here's our hot dogs. toasty bread. Okay, let's dress the hamburger and the hot dog. So the food to finish. So let's build the burger. So I put the burger, the bun in like 1 minute before it's finished, right? So I like to do mayo, right? So however you want to do it. I like to put a little mayo on mine. And then my bun, guys, I put in 2 pieces of bacon. And you know, bacon is always just like 10 minutes. And then I put my tomatoes. I like tomatoes. If you like onions, then you put your onions, right? Whatever you like, and your lettuce. However, and your burger is ready to go. And then of course you have mustard. If you like mustard, I don't really like mustard. It's all for the dressing, and of course ketchup, my favorite. This I'll put a lot more, but that's it. And then look at that. Yeah, 15 minutes, 1 minute or 2 minutes according to how crispy you want. Bacon 10 minutes. My mouth is watering. It looks so good, but the point is quick, easy in the air fryer. Okay everyone, so we have lunch, lots of stuff. So we have the nuggets, the onion rings, fish sticks, fries, hot dogs, and we have hamburger. And this is my hamburger, sorry, that I made, that I'm gonna have for lunch / dinner because I haven't eaten yet. I came home from work and I made some keto bun. So the same, but I'll link the video. But I just made it a little bit bigger so I can hold on to the hot dog, so I can have keto bun with my hamburger. So you can do that with the same keto bread and make it as big as you want or small as you want, according to what you're doing. So we have lots of stuff here that we're gonna eat. So the kids have dinner. It'll be a quick dinner tonight. They'll be happy. But I'll still make them a smoothie, and I'll put the veggie in the smoothie for tonight. Try it. So everything was quick, no more than 20 minutes. You're in a hurry. Sometimes life happens, sometimes things happen, and then we have to go to the frozen aisle. Everything with a grain of salt. But the air fryer, wonderful with it. I wish I had my bucket air fryer. That way for the fries, you know, you can just shake them up. And thinking about it, my mom is not too far away, so I think I'll get hers. Maybe I'll add it to this video. How easy it is if you have the bucket. You can pull it out, shake it up, put it back in. But any air fryer is fine, as long as it's digital. Don't go analog, go digital. I hope you enjoyed the video. I really appreciate your time. Thanks for coming back. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you try some of these stuff, or not. But if you have them and you're gonna do them, air fryer, test out the time because some air fryer is different, but again, no more than 5, 10, 20 minutes for all these goodie stuff. So I do have my dinner now. I haven't eaten all day, so I'm gonna have some lunch, dinner. This is lunch, dinner, and breakfast all in one. And I have my tea. Thanks for your time. God bless you. And I'll see you next time. Bye.